Hey, it's Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and today I want to do another maneuver that's been really successful for people to help reduce their symptoms of vertigo. This one is really specific and it can get targeted, but I find that if you're having problems with vertigo, you may not know which canal or where it is. So this is for the left posterior canal vertigo. Okay, so it's called the Semont maneuver, and what you'd wind up doing with this is actually turning your head to the direction that you're having the problem in. Then you're going to want to stay there for a minute. Once the minute is up, you're going to rapidly move to laying down on your right side. So you're going to move like this, keeping your head in that same position. You're going to wind up staying here for a minute. Once that minute is up, you're going to go rapidly to your other side, keeping your head in that same position. You're going to stay here for another minute. Once that minute is up, you're going to slowly move to a seated position, and you're going to stay here for 10 minutes. That's this complete maneuver. If you're wondering if this can help, or let me know how this goes when you try it out, okay? Obviously, make sure you've got a firm table on both sides for you, okay? It's not a bad idea to wind up doing it with someone around who you know can spot you, okay, or be there for you. If this doesn't wind up helping what's going on, I'm going to include a link to a checklist that I've created of 5 things that help to get you out of the vertigo spins quickly. Go ahead and sign up for that. That's got a number of other steps that you can take to wind up getting out of the spins. And if you want help with winding up permanently getting out of them, go ahead and reach out to our office for a discovery call. I'll put a link in the description down below. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.